This is a 1999 Chevy Prizm, which is basically the same thing as a Toyota Corolla. I've had to replace this door handle on the driver's side probably 3 times, I think. This is my 4th time. And as you can see down here at the bottom, it's just plastic and it's broken. So I'm going to replace it. I got a cheap, inexpensive replacement handle. There's a little piece of plastic here you gotta pop off. There we go. Then you can pull this down. And out. Here's where it was broken. You can see right here. Kind of use that screwdriver to help hold the handle metal and push it in there. Then you gotta twist this thing around and snap it on the metal. There we go. Then you just gotta fit it in here. It kind of pushes in. There we go. Okay, works great until that plastic breaks there or there again. Probably be in a year and a half to 2 years. And you just got to keep replacing them. I don't know why they can't make them with metal in here, and they probably last a lot longer.
Yo, see all my videos and music videos on YouTube on the Psychato channel. Do it.